So there is no help required with respect to just 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Sure.
Somebody sent a message. Okay, so that is the first point which we had, is it not? So as far as the first point is concerned, there is no relation between
outer class object and
outer class object, because outer class object is not at all required in this program. As far as this program is
right.
concerned, even the class looks likely to be in the inside outer class. It looks like that only. See here, brace is started, but it is not ended. But yet you have started
Right.
inner class. Inner class is there, but we cannot call it as inner class, because if it is going to be inner class, just like in regular class or any other inner class, it should have some strong bond association with outer class. But here it doesn't exist. That's why
Right.
this is one difference which we can find with respect to static nested inner classes. Even I am writing inner class, we should not call it as inner class, of course. Next point is we cannot declare static members. I told earlier, in regular or normal classes, we cannot create static members. I told or not?
Yes.
Static members cannot be created. Where?
In normal.
Yeah, in normal classes, there is no chance for creating static members. I told earlier, it is a rule which we followed, isn't it? But now here, what I am doing?
Yes.
Are we boycotting those rules or not?
Yes, we are.
We are not abided with those rules here. We are just crossing those rules. That's why in static nested classes we can declare static members. So static members possible in which class?
Nested. Static nested.
Static members possible in static nested classes, right? Static nested. Whereas they are not possible in
regular or normal.
Not possible in regular or normal classes. Regular or normal, we can call them as normal classes. So they are not possible. That is a rule which we followed, but here we are not abiding to those rules. We are just crossing those rules. We're bypassing those rules simply. Okay.
Yes.
And then one more thing is, can we declare main method inside inner class? In normal class, I am talking. In normal classes, my question is, can we declare main method inside inner class? Please recollect, inside class, have I ever created what we call main method inside inner classes?
Inner class, no.
Normal cases. I'm talking about normal cases. Can we declare main method inside inner class, inside normal inner class? I want to say normal.
No.
Answer is no. Yes, we cannot create. We cannot do that. No. But here, the static nested classes, I call them as static nested classes. SNC. Yes. We can create. Just now I have shown one program. See again this program. Where is main method? See carefully, where is main method?
Yes.
Got it. So the closing for outer class. Okay, fine. This is the closing for outer class. I can tell you. Yes, this is the closing for outer class. Okay, and this is the closing for inner class. Yes, you can easily identify inner class. Yes, and what about this? This is the closing for main method, isn't it?
Yes.
So inside inner class, we are able to create what we call main method, isn't it?
Right.
Class is closed, and this is main method closed. Main closed. Main also closed here. So it is possible. So we are violating rules a lot, is it not?
Yes.
That's why we cannot call it as inner class. When there is no, see, for example, parent and child. If child Generally, children at least oblige 50% or 40%. If a child is there who reject everything, whatever parents says, parents may be harsh or their children are not at times. Go away with
Yes.
just like that. It is no more inner class. That's it, simply.
Okay.
Next, fourth one. And one more is from the static members. I mean to say static members or non-static members. Uh, we can access both static and non-static members of the outer class directly or not? Tell me.
Yes.
As far as normal or regular classes are concerned, can we access both static and non-static members
Yes.
directly? Yes. But here
We cannot.
we have to
Okay.
declare main method, and from there only we can invoke.
Okay.
So that is these are the four important. These are the three. I think three came, na? 3 or 4.
4.
Okay, yeah, fine. These are the four important differences between these two.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Next one. And combinations. I did talk about interfaces too early, but I should not. Because I thought inner classes some interlink is there. That's why I could not talk about interfaces totally. But few important things whichever are required, I have spoken about interfaces.
Okay.
But what kind of combinations are possible with respect to classes and interfaces? See.
Okay.
The kind of combinations possible, because I told you classes from the beginning itself, but in the recent past I have introduced this concept of interfaces as well, isn't it? Interfaces I introduced. So there is not much difference. Little differences are there, I told, but I did not go into that area because it is not our subject matter at that time. But as far as in some programs, in anonymous classes especially, we have seen interfaces also, na?
Yeah.
I think I told, or have given I did not remember. I have given example, I think, of interfaces also. So,
Yes. Yes.
we know these combinations are possible. There are 4 possible combinations actually. So simply telling, interviewer may ask you, can you put a class inside interface? Answer is yes. Can you put
Okay.
interface inside class? Yes. See, if I take 2 words here, classes and interfaces, how many combinations are possible? Simple logic. Class inside interface, interface inside class inside
Right.
class, interface inside interface. How many
Interface.
combinations are possible? Simple logic.
4.
4 combinations are possible. So
Yes.
all combinations are possible. Simply to say anything is possible inside anything. Simple.
Okay.
Means either class is possible in another class, or interface is possible in another interface, or class versus interface, or interface versus class. Anything inside anything is possible as far as these
Okay.
combinations are concerned. But we should be careful with respect to static nested classes. We can access only static members of the
Static.
class. We can only
Yes.
access the static members of the outer class. So that
Okay.
with this, I want to close inner classes concept, nothing more than this.
Okay.
Almost all 1 week we have designed about this
Right.
inner classes, nothing more than that. Even especially freshers are not having this much knowledge with respect to these 4 types, I can tell you.
Okay.
Ask any fresher, they are new inner class, but even inner class also they don't know that much strongly as far as college student is concerned. Now let us
Okay.
go with a new concept called as abstract class. Abstract class. What is an abstract class? Okay, very important concept. This is also. So a class with 0 or more methods. A class with 0 or more methods. 0 or more abstract methods, I can call it as a class with 0 or more abstract methods. What is that abstract method? I will explain. Wait.
Okay.
So a class with 0 or more abstract methods is called as
Abstract class.
abstract class. That is a very interesting concept, this one.
Okay.
A different dimension of Java you can see from here onwards. It's an entry point, just like, okay,
Okay.
Just like we traveled in normal road right now, because I traveled all the 200 kilometers from morning to now.
Oh,
All
okay.
just we are entering into Ghat area now. Normal area, normal road we have traveled till now. This is something different, absolutely.
Okay.
So a class with 0 or more abstract methods is called as abstract class. So what is, immediately you'll get one doubt in this statement. I never thought about that statement. What is that? New word which you can find in this line. In this one line, you can find one new line, new word, I can tell you. A class with
Abstract method.
abstract method. So immediately your question is going to be, I don't know abstract method and you are using abstract method. You can ask,
Yeah.
isn't it? So a class with
Yes.
0 or more abstract methods is called as abstract class. I am telling, okay, fine. So what is an abstract method? It is also an entry question. A method with a method without body. Method without body. Very simple. Nothing great. Method
Okay.
without body
Body.
is known as abstract method. Means what? No braces. Body is nothing but braces.
Okay.
Pair of braces are
Okay.
there, na? Pair of braces.
Hmm.
Pair of braces, curly braces we call, na? They are called
Yeah.
as they are
Body.
called as method body. Yes. And what is the opposite for abstract method? Yes, there is one technical word called as concrete method. Okay, concrete method.
Okay.
What is a concrete method? Method with body is known as concrete method.
Concrete method.
Now you can easily, just a matter of terminology. I told in the beginning also, na, you can impress
Right.
you can impress your interviewer with the terminology itself.
Hmm.
Methods, method with body is known as concrete method. Okay,
Okay.
body means this. I mean to say, better I write like,
Braces.
not like this. I will put bracket, you can understand. Body means this pair of braces. Yes, that's it. Now you can understand. Got it? So method.
Yes.
So till now, whichever program I explained, barring that interfaces concept, uh, I always kept braces for any method.
Right.
Even for a default
Yes.
constructor also, if you even if you don't write nothing also, it will work. But braces should be there.
Right.
Na? So
Yeah.
so that is why method without body means abstract method, and this abstract class consists of 0 or more abstract methods. It may consist of
Okay.
uh, no abstract method or one abstract method, at least few abstract methods it can have. Okay, so it can,
Okay.
so it's simply to say a class consists of, what about class? Let us come back to class. A class consists of all concrete methods. Am I right? All
Yes.
concrete methods. All concrete methods. I just want to take one step ahead in this class itself. I'm experimenting because you know a little bit about interface. I'm adding interface also in this class. So
Okay.
slowly I will take you to there also. Abstract. And what about abstract class? Just now I told 0 or 0 or
More
more
abstract methods.
abstract methods, right? 0 or more abstract methods. Okay, fine. Next comes 0 or more abstract methods means it can also partial concrete methods may be there. Is it not? Can I use that?
Right. Yeah.
Partial concrete. I cannot
That
take.
was going to be my next question because
Yeah,
if it includes zero abstract method, it's nothing
0
but
or
concrete.
more abstract methods. 0
Right.
means again abstract class is becoming class itself. Yes.
Right.
But
Okay.
technically speaking, you can still design a program. I never tried. Uh, some books I found the definition that 0 or more abstract methods. So I never tried
Okay.
practically. You please try that. You please work out on
Sure.
it. You
Yeah.
try with soon after myself explaining this class, you can understand how to design an abstract class. Okay. So with the help of that knowledge, you can
Okay.
be with this. You can clarify your doubt practically and let me also know.
Okay.
Okay. Partial
Okay.
concrete. If I'm having time, I will do that. Partial concrete methods are present, is it not? But class,
Yes.
all concrete methods are present. Yes, fine. Now let me introduce interface. In interview, sure they will ask you important interview question. This one. What is the difference between class, abstract class, and interface? An interface consists of all abstract methods, all
Method.
abstract
Okay.
methods. But abstract keyword is not used. But abstract keyword abstract we need not use, but in abstract class we have to use abstract keyword. But in interfaces you need not use abstract keyword. Abstract is a keyword actually. Okay,
Okay.
so we should use abstract keyword for abstract class to declare an abstract class or abstract method. But interfaces, all abstract methods are present, but without using abstract keyword you can do that. Let
Okay.
me tell you, generally how you write a class, tell me. See, class, you write animal for example,
Name.
class
Yeah.
animal, okay? So some code will be there and all are concrete methods. For example, void bark,
Mm-hmm.
void bark is there, void bite is there, and you write some code, na? We should not put,
Right.
we should not put semicolon, we should write some code.
Right.
So void byte you write. This is simple class which we are doing right from 1 month for a matter of 1 month.
Yes.
But now we are learning different things. That is abstract class. That is simple class, first one. This is how a class is designed. Okay. That is
Mm-hmm.
how a class is designed. See small letter here. Okay, fine. Now let us come back to abstract class. How to design an abstract class? How to design an abstract class? See, this is the word abstract class, abstract. This is required or not? This is required. I still remember. Yeah, abstract class. Let us give same example. Animal. Yeah, if I go with animal, it should look like this. So it should consist of abstract methods, na? Like this.
Yes.
Yes, abstract void bark and
Okay.
method without body cc with
Right.
braces, any braces, no braces. Yes,
No. Okay.
abstract void byte, that's it.
Okay.
I will give total program. First let me make you familiar. A lot of theory is there in this, that's why first let me make you
Okay.
familiar with this terminology and these things. And I told in the definition itself, please recollect, zero or more abstract methods, and somewhere I have written partial concrete methods are also present. Huh? I will
Right.
add one concrete method, one or two concrete methods will be there. What is there? Void jump. Hmm? I can write some code for that. Na? System dot out dot print. Inside that, dock
Mm.
in jump, isn't it? I can write some
Okay.
code also like this simply. That's it. That's it. Over.
Okay.
Now, immediate question is, what can you do with these two abstract methods? When code is not there, what can
Mm.
you do with that? I'll let you know in a few minutes, you can understand. So
Okay.
another class I will declare that is going to extend the abstract class. Got it? See, for
Yeah.
example, I will go with another class like dog class dog. Okay? Extends.
Okay.
Extends. What is the class?
Animal.
Animal. That's it. Now, in this class, you can define them. Got it? In this class, you can
Yeah.
that abstract void
Okay.
bark and abstract void byte, you can define here. That is a define.
Okay.
Again, if you
So define with body here.
that's it. Define means body.
Okay. Okay.
Implementation.
Yeah.
Implementation.
Yeah.
See that technically these
Okay.
words are similar. Implementation, define, work. These are all similar. Task, actual task. Task means braces should be there. Implementation means braces should be there. Definition means braces should be there. Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
This is
Okay.
how you go with things. Okay, this is abstract class. And a little other theory is there. I will explain. First, let me distinguish one with the other one. Some code you can write.
Okay.
Okay, fine. And what about interface? Interface. We use the keyword interface in place of class. We should not use class keyword. Class is no more. In place of class, you write interface animal.
Okay.
But how the code looks for this? All are abstract methods, but the keyword abstract you should not use, isn't it?
Okay. Yes.
White bark. That's it.
Okay.
What is that? Bite. That's it. And if you want to go with the jump, that also same story. Can I open the brace? See the statement which I made. Strongly I made one statement. If I make a statement, I commit to that. See that?
All abstract methods.
All abstract. And what is an abstract method? You know.
Zero or more.
What is an abstract method?
No, without body.
Now what I am asking,
Yeah.
what I am requesting you,
No, we can't.
can I open braces? No, it is not possible.
No.
If
Yes.
you open
Okay.
braces, there is no meaning in interface. Got it? That's it.
True. Yeah.
Then again, immediately you will ask, what can I do with these abstract methods? Even of course, you are not using abstract keyword. What can I do with these things? You may ask me. Yeah, no problem. Just like abstract class, I will go with another class.
Okay.
Class dog. Implements is the keyword. Implements in place of extends. We use the keyword implements for interfaces.
Interfaces.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. Extends. Classes can be extended. Classes or abstract classes can be extended. Okay, classes
Okay.
or abstract classes can be extended. What about implements keyword? Classes or abstract classes can be extended. And what about interface? Interfaces can be implemented. That is
Implemented.
exactly implemented. That is the keyword which you have to use. Implemented as far as interfaces are concerned. That's it. That's it. That is C. Okay. So these are the differences.
Okay.
And one more difference, one few more differences are there. Here itself, I am combining interfaces also for you. I may be talking a lot of,
Okay.
but it fetches you. Again, I need not speak a lot. No? Abstract class. Few more things are there. As far as class is concerned, can I create object for a class? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We can create an object for a
Class.
yes, you know that. But what about abstract class? No, we cannot create object.
Okay.
Abstract class? No. We cannot create. We cannot create an object. But we can create a reference. A reference. We
Okay.
can create a reference. We cannot create an object, but we can create a reference. What is the difference
Reference.
between object and
Okay.
reference? For example, if dog is a dog name, for example, say Snoopy. Snoopy is the object which I have taken. Okay, Snoopy is the dog which I have taken. So Snoopy is that is reference. Whereas here, if Snoopy is the object, then I can go like this. Wait. Sorry, Snoopy is the class now. I'm telling sorry, animal. Na? Wait. Sorry. Animal is the class. Animal is the abstract class. No? For abstract class, you can create only reference. Abstract class, say A is the reference. Reference only you can create. Okay.
Okay.
What about here? Here also animal class I have taken. Na? Animal space A is equal to new animal. Can you find the difference between two
Yes.
coding here? Here clearly you can consider an object here. In this case, if you go with a normal class, this code means you are going with an object created by the variable A. An object is
Right.
created. An object is created with reference A. That's it.
Yeah.
Reference A. That's it. That's how you go with things there. But here A is after all a reference, only a reference, a reference A is created. That's it. That is a difference. That is
Okay.
for abstract class. And then what about interface? Same story. No, we cannot create. No.
Okay.
We cannot create object to an interface. But what can we do? We can,
Reference.
but yeah, reference, yes. But we can create a reference. Like, see, animal is your interface, na? Animal space, yeah, that's it. So these are the differences. Okay. Again, I will discuss
Okay.
these things in detail. Once I complete classes concept, I completed almost all abstract class concept. Today I entered interfaces. Some knowledge you have already, but little more I will add to that. But once I complete abstract class program, then I will go with interfaces. Then I will distinguish three again. Again, I will ask you the differences.
Okay.
So now you are looking forward for a program, right?
Yes.
One program, very interesting program. This is the one program which I am designing from the past 16 years. I am designing
Oh, okay.
one program, successful program, interesting program. You can design so many. I have designed other programs also, but I like this program very well. That is abstract class car example I will take. Let me go with a new project for abstract class. It's a project, I think. I will go with the right Java project. Abstract. Abstract class is the project name. Done. Now let me create one program. Class name is car. Car is the name of the class. Done. Now see what I'm doing. I want to make this as abstract. I can write like this now. Okay.
Yes.
Abstract class.
Yeah.
Now how to design this car. See. Car will be having registration number, right? Registration number will be there. Semicolon. Okay, fine. And then I want to go with a constructor. Can I go? Can I go or not? Why can't I go? Because what is the definition of abstract
Constructor.
class? Please see.
Yeah.
What is that definition of abstract class? Please look once again. Abstract class consists of
With zero or more abstract method.
means again also I have defined zero or more abstract partial
Concrete methods. Okay.
are possible or not.
Concrete methods.
Are
Yes.
possible, better write are possible. I'm writing all the possibilities. So concrete method means what? Method with body.
Right.
Constructor is also a method, a special method maybe, isn't it? Yeah, I can go with a
Yes.
constructor like this. A parameterized constructor I'm going with. Okay. I will write this. Why I'm writing this later on you can understand, not now, because some conflict is there. Yeah, here itself you can understand. Already registration number is there now. So to relieve the ambiguity, I have to write this, isn't it? You know this very well. Why we have to write this, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. I need not speak about this, I think. We have done a couple of examples.
Right.
Yes. Now let me go with yet another concrete method. I will go void fill tank. For any car, filling tank is same procedure, is it not? Just to open the lid and fill
Yes.
fuel. So I'll go with some implementation here for this, like system dot smooth. Open the lid and fill with fuel. Open the lid.
Okay.
And fill with fuel. That's it. Running car, same procedure. Why we are going with abstract classes, you can clearly understand with this, because in OOPS concept there is one important in the beginning I did not tell you some features of OOPS are there. Abstraction, what is that? Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, object, class object concept. These are all features of OOPS I'll write here. But of course, unknowingly, we covered some features till now. See, these are the OOPS features. First one. OOPS means object-oriented programming system. OOPS means
Okay.
object-oriented programming system. OOPS means. If you want to write a programming language, then you cannot add yes here. Object-oriented programming language we say,
Okay.
but it is actually object-oriented programming system. OOPS stands for. So these are the features of OOPS.
Okay.
You write the features. Already we have discussed a few features in the past unknowingly. They are already we had inheritance now, and before inheritance, this is the first feature. You should understand abstraction. Second one, encapsulation. Have you heard about these words?
No. Abstraction.
Abstraction,
Abstract, I've heard today.
abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance. Inheritance you heard already, right?
Yes.
We have done
Yes.
inheritance successfully. Two types of inheritances we have done now. And then
Yeah.
polymorphism. This also we have covered.
Yes.
Polymorphism, yes. So these are the things, and of course one more important feature, that is class object. Class and object. Of course I cannot separate them. Object means class should be there. Class means it should follow with an object, obviously, isn't it? So these are
Yes.
the features of OOPS. What is abstraction? Now we are using the keyword. Abstract means idea. Generally in projects also we are supposed to submit abstract.
Yes.
Means the ideas, not the real one. Some ideas whichever you are going to present before the committee, isn't it? So the ideas
Yeah.
we call as abstraction. And
Okay.
class, and what is the best example for abstraction? Class. Class is an idea or not? Class is an idea
Yes.
to create an object. That's
Right.
class is the best example for abstraction. Then comes encapsulation. Encapsulation. So class, again, class is the best example for this. Class is binded with what? Binded with variables and
Okay.
methods.
Methods.
And for them, you are using some access specifiers. Are you using or not? Some access
Yes.
specifiers. I'm going to cover this before packages. Once interfaces are over, then we move to packages. And
Okay.
what are those access specifiers? Private.
Protected.
Yes, protected. No modifier.
No specific.
No
No.
specifier.
Yeah.
No specifier. And then comes
Public.
So encapsulation, you know capsule. What is capsule? So inside the capsule, we don't know the ingredients present inside a capsule.
Right.
But directly we intake that or not without knowing the internal details.
Yes.
So even car, we are able to drive a car. But if any repair comes, it is not in our hands. Is it not?
Right.
So we just to know the external features of a car. Similarly, we just to know the external features of an AC, of a refrigerator,
Yes.
television, or even a fan also. Okay?
Yeah.
Over internal embedded things, we are not having any awareness, isn't it?
Mm.
You know, at max, if you are driving a car, we know just about steering, braking, clutch mechanism, acceleration. These things we know, isn't it? But if any
Right.
problem comes
Yes.
in the engine, we cannot even open that, isn't it?
True.
So, so
Yeah.
that is because these are those are all internal parts which we don't know where which is present. We don't know. Even for a laptop we both are using. But if any problem comes, it is not in our hands, isn't it?
Right.
So we have to give to the mechanic. He can only repair that.
Yeah.
So here also
Yes.
same problem. So here also class consists of ideas, variables, methods, but they are all organized with the help of access specifiers or not. Just like our brain, I told na,
Yes.
the things which we can talk with others, which we should not talk, which we have to hide from some people, which we can reveal to some people, like that will be there na. It is all possible
Yeah.
with the help of these access specifiers. Okay, access
Mm.
the access can be controlled with the help of these access specifiers. That is why as part of coding you are it is all encapsulated. Encapsulation means what? They're all hidden from outsiders.
Okay.
Class is the best example for that, because class consists of variables and methods, and you are moreover using these specifiers, so-called specifiers, to protect your data, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is also a feature of OOPS. Got it?
Okay.
I need not
Yes.
speak about the remaining three. I think we had enough, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Inheritance,
Yeah.
parallelism, class, object. Yes. So these are the features of OOPS. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now that's what I'm telling. In this program, whichever features are allowed, they are those features I am opening in the program. See, I am opening these features, isn't it? Better I would have saved this program to some other name, because I don't know whether this is supporting or okay, I'll check it later. Because normally I do in command prompt these kind of applications. Okay, it will work fine. No issue. Okay, now, and what about this method? This is a, and this is a constructor. I will name everything here. You can understand. This is a constructor. This is a constructor, a parameterized constructor, of course. Parameterized constructor. Okay, fine. You know this, I need not speak. And what about this method? I introduced a terminology today. Concrete or abstract?
This is concrete.
Concrete method. Yes, method with body is known as concrete method. Now let me go with a couple of abstract methods, because it is an abstract class. So let me go with a couple of abstract methods in this program as well. Abstract methods. Yes, first one. Because different cars will be having different steerings, steering, power steering, manual steering, like that will be there na? So let me go with the different other features of this, like abstract keyword we have to use. The method is abstract void steering. I don't want to write code for that, because it depends upon the car which we are purchasing.
Yes.
If we like old Maruti 800 car, then it will normally, it comes with the manual steering. Okay, if you want to buy any other car, generally power steering will be there.
Right.
Abstract void braking arrangement is also different with respect to internal issues. These are all braking. Abstract void braking. So some brakes are operated with the help of hydraulic brakes will be there. Hydraulic and some normal gas brakes will be there, of course. So different types of braking mechanism will be also there. So I want to close this class constructor. I have to sign. It will show, don't bother, it will show error,
Okay.
don't worry. This is not our total program. It is saying the left side of an assignment must be a variable. Syntax insert variable declaration id to complete formal. Where, which one? Car register number. I had it. Oh, sorry. I hadn't gone with int before that, na? That's why it is showing. I forgot writing
Okay.
int. That's why. Gone. right?
Okay, okay.
It's not
Yes.
an error. So I saved this program. Okay, fine. Now let me go with another program. Program is not over. So actually this program is divided into 4 modules. My intention is first program name is car. Okay. Second
Okay.
program name is I want to go with Maruti, old
Okay.
Maruti 800. The third program I want to go with the Santro car. Okay.
Okay.
In all these 3 programs, main method will not be there. In such a way, I design.
Okay.
You can combine also, but I want to show the features of this OOPS concept. In real time, it will be a small project like we are doing. Let us assume a very mini project, small project. Let
Okay.
me go with another class this time. This is one small module which is coded by one person. Okay. Now another
Okay.
creating. So the project leader asked one fellow to create this program, and another program being asked and given to another person. So his class name is Maruti. Okay, Maruti. This Maruti
Okay.
design he's doing. All the Maruti design he's doing. No main method in that also. Now let us see how he is going to design Maruti. Yes, public class Maruti. Public is not required. No, no, not required. Extends, which is the basic one. I told na abstract class
Car.
some
Car.
unimplemented methods are there na. That those we have to implement in another class that is going to extend. I told earlier, isn't it?
Right. Right.
This is
Yes.
the class which is going to extend that. Class Maruti extends car. Okay, done.
Okay.
Yes, I am following rules and regulations. Just see, I have given rules and regulations. What I told, please see. Maybe I am telling only one program, but a big program. And so many issues are involved in that. I will give small assignment once the class is over. You can also practice
Okay.
exams. See, somewhere I mentioned that. Yeah. Abstract class, where it is? Here it is. Here I told one point, I think. I did not write here, but I told one point. Where to implement, in another class. Here I have written, yeah.
Right. Yes.
Class dog. Class Maruti, now our class. Extends
Right.
extends
Animal.
yeah. Dog is an animal, lion is an animal, tiger is an animal. All these are extending from animal only, isn't it?
Right. Yes.
Like that I am designing. Of course, dog is an object, but I'm just have taken as a class here. Don't worry. Okay. Now
Okay.
class Maruti extends car. Now all Maruti features will be designed by one person who is giving code for this. I want to go with the constructor here also. It is a normal class. I can go with all all concrete methods only, isn't it? Because it is normal class na. Maruti is, I mean, this is a normal
Yeah.
class. Abstract keyword is not there. So it is a normal class. I'm going, moreover, I'm going with the parameter.
Braces, extra braces are there, I think.
No. Here. Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah,
I unfortunately typed, I think. Yeah. Maruti int registration number, it will be also having, so I should not give space. It's a combined word. Fine. Then how to give it? I never used this before. I will explain this. Don't worry about the super keyword.
okay.
I will explain. Don't worry. Super registered number. Registered number is equal to yes, done. Don't worry. I will explain. Parameterized constructor is over. I will explain about that super. Don't worry about that. What are those unimplemented methods? Tell me. Steering and braking.
Yes.
See, void steering. Okay. Means now I'm going to provide code. You asked, na, where can you provide code?
Yes, yes.
Now here I am providing. Where I am providing here means in another class that is going to extend the abstract class.
Correct.
Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now here, again here, Maruti car has manual steering. Shall I write like that?
Okay.
Same example I will give to you also in your notes also, because I like this program very well. I don't want to change this. Maruti
Okay.
has manual steering. From years, this is the only program which few more are there. In interface also there is one program. I like some programs. I like standard programs. I don't want to change in my life. Of course, I can create some other programs, but the
Right.
intensity should be there. Now, if I am talking, it should be attractive to others. They should easily understand.
Right.
But this is the one which is preferable for that matter. Maruti car has manual steering. Okay, fine. And then take the key and start the car. Very easy. Take the key and start the car. You are moving on a four-wheeler or two-wheeler in Bangalore?
Four-wheeler.
Which car, sir?
This only, Nexon, Tata Nexon.
Tata Nexon. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Currently, I am using Alto.
Okay.
Not 800. Of course, it is also 800 cc only. Of course, they will write 1000 cc. It will not be 1000.
Okay.
Not Maruti 800, but Alto. Once my PhD is over, I am planning to purchase Figo or something like that.
Figo.
I
Okay.
like the shape of
Yeah.
the Figo. That some style is there in that, na, Figo.
Yes, it
But
is.
latest one, I don't know how it is coming. But the old one, generally, I have seen so many doctors using that Figo.
Yeah.
Especially red.
And it's generally safe. Whatever material they use, Tata, it is.
One of my doctor, sir, my son's doctor, actually, he generally gives vaccines and all these things in my
Okay.
son's childhood days. So actually, he used a Figo red car. Unfortunately,
Okay.
he has undergone some accident also in Anantapur district.
Okay.
Went to his wife's house in Anantapur. When he's
Okay.
coming back, some bull or something is there going on
Okay.
the street, and instead of escaping that, he hit a tree.
Okay.
He got major injuries, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah.
Just 1 week or 10 days before, I traveled in that car also. He dropped
Okay.
in Hyderabad. I'm talking a way, long way back, 10 years back, yeah, 9 years back, 8 years back.
Okay.
But so many doctors I saw using Figo red color. I got attracted to
Yeah.
that. Even after knowing that also, still I want that only.
I think now they've changed it. It is safe.
Yeah, latest one.
Yeah.
That Figo cannot resist. I think it jumped so many feet. They told at that time, and he got major injuries.
Okay. Maybe if we had different car, it would have been worse.
Maybe I don't know at all which
Yeah.
speed he is going at that time.
I know. Yeah, that matters too.
Maybe, yeah. Braking. So generally, Maruti car uses hydraulic braking. Maruti uses hydraulic brakes. Maruti uses hydraulic. Maruti car has, otherwise Maruti car has hydraulic braking. Hydraulic. D-R-A-A-L-I-G. Hydraulic. Hydraulic braking. Okay, fine. So apply brakes to stop the car. Simply, I will write some meaningful statement. Apply brakes to stop the car. Because if somebody is new to this car, it is warning like this. What kind of steering you are using before.
Right.
For example, if somebody wants to use my car, Mine is power steering. If somebody is coming from old car like Alto, not Alto, that Maruti 800 old car is there,
Right.
Manual steering.
Mm-hmm.
Because if I am going to use that, for instance, if he is going to give a caution, it is not Alto car, it is a 800 car, old one, it is having Maruti steering, it is alerting us first of all. Accordingly, we can make our adjustments now.
Mm-hmm.
And the braking is also over.
Right.
So that is it. That's it. This program is also over. Just to save the program, don't do anything else. One more trace is required. Gone. Mistakes. Oh, why? One more is required now. Gone. Save this program.
Yes.
Same code. Copy.
Yes.
One more with Santro. I will go. You can go with hundreds of cars.
Okay.
I can tell you.
Yeah.
Hundreds. You can go like this. I'm going with only 2 here. You can go with any big number. Another class I will take here, but this is for Santro car. Here I write Santro in place of Maruti. Okay, fine. So just to see how easy it is, how simple it is, what I'm doing.
Changing Maruti to Santro.
That's it. Here also, it is also having steering, but
Right.
power steering. I'm making it as power. That's all. That's all. Braking, it is also having braking mechanism, but it is not Maruti this time. I'm going with Santro. It's gas brakes, we call it as gas brakes, I think. Power gas braking, yeah. It's having gas brakes. Or air brakes also we can call it as gas. Okay, fine. Same code, remaining same to same, nothing else. Save this program. Now, how many programs we have done? 3 programs.
E.
First program is
Right.
abstract class. Second program is normal class extending abstract class. Third program
Abstract,
is
yes.
third one is also normal class
Normal.
extending abstract class.
Abstract.
So have
Okay.
you categorically divided these things? First one is abstract class totally. Here itself,
Right.
here itself it is somewhere like this. This is car, not car. Let me remove other things. Unnecessary things. Coming. Why not there like this? So this is car. This is abstract class clearly. Abstract class, and then this class is the one
Regular.
is extending the abstract class.
Right.
And then the other one, this is also a one which is extending the abstract class.
Yes.
Three I have designed. Now the fourth one that consists of main method. I am focusing on the last one, that is the one where main method is present. Let me go with the same name, that is use car, which I am using from past 18 years. Use car, that is the name of that. Okay, use car is the in this main method is also there. Okay, main method is also there. Yes. Remove this comment here. So I want to invoke the parameterized constructor. Constructor is there in Maruti. Constructor is there or not? Parameterized.
Yes.
So how to invoke that parameterized constructor? Just to create object, it will be invoked object.
Right.
So I am doing that only. See, Maruti space m is equal to
Maruti.
Yes, it's a parameterized, na? You can
Yes.
guess what I am passing. Registration number.
Number. Okay.
That is the number with which the car has been registered. Now another constructor is there in Santhro car also. One constructor is there.
Yes.
Santhro also, Santhro constructor is there now. Let me do that.
Mm-hmm.
Let me do that. Santhro. What to do? Santhro. Yes.
Same.
Is equal
Yes.
to new Santhro within bracket 7777. Okay, done.
Yes.
Yes. So two parameterizer constructors invoked. Yes, small letter. That is why it is showing mistake. Got it?
Yes.
Now, I told some crucial points, important points. Can I create object to abstract class? Hmm? Can I create object to abstract class? For example, abstract class animal. What can we do? No, we cannot create.
Only reference. Yes.
Same thing I will do here also. I am following the notes only. I am following car C. Okay, done.
Okay.
Now see what I am doing. Uh, but Maruti and Santhro are classes or abstract classes.
Classes.
That's why I am able to create objects for both of them. Am I right?
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
But for abstract class, you can only create a reference,
Reference.
not object. So I created reference. But that reference
Okay.
can point to any object. Just a minute.
Right.
Charge
Sure.
this.
Yeah.
Yes. But that reference can point to any object now.
Mm-hmm.
C is equal to M. For example, a customer came to the company, to the shop. That shop consists of both old cars and new cars also. Okay.
Okay.
This customer is a poor guy. He can purchase only old car, Maruti, old Maruti 800 that has manual steering. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
he will refer that car now by showing his finger. I want to purchase
True. Yes.
this one. He will say. So C is equal to M. Now see what I am doing in the code. C dot fill tank. For filling the tank, any car, same procedure. C dot fill tank.
Right.
It is a non-static method, na? Object dot like that you have to invoke, isn't it?
Yes.
What
Yes.
about steering? Yeah, C dot. It is also non-static, abstract, but somehow I
True.
implemented that. Steering. That's it. Steering. And what is the other one? Braking.
Breaking.
Which spelling I used? B-R-E-A, B-R-E-A-K. Not remember spelling of that.
Braking.
K-I-N-G. I use it in that program. It depends upon that. Na? Okay, I want
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
only break. That is
No,
correct.
I checked screenshots. I'll be taking
Okay,
screenshots when you're doing. Yeah.
even though break, this spelling is correct. There is difference from B-R-A-K-E break and B-R-E-A-K break, isn't it?
Right. Yes.
C dot breaking, steering, any other method? Nothing else left? Done? Code is done.
Nothing. That's all. Yes.
Code is done. Yeah. Why it is showing exclamatory here? Santhro. Why the hell you graded Santhro reference? It is asking. I never used that. Why you are? But it is not an issue. No issue. Leave it. Let me execute this. See the output. Is it coming fine?
Yes.
That's how code is. Which code is implemented? Maruti or Santhro? Please check.
Maruti.
See, just one change I am doing. Another customer came. A little bit rich customer when compared with the other one. You want to purchase Santhro. Now see.
Okay.
Saving the program. Now let me run this. Which code is executed?
Santhro.
Got this? How simple it is?
Yes.
How effective?
Yeah.
You like the program?
Can we do both together?
Both together in the sense, again, you have to rewrite the code here. Means somebody is going to come and purchase both the cars, it seems. Now I'll write C is equal to M. And INC dot.
Okay, so we have to again write. I'm asking C is equal to S. Below that, C is equal to
C
M.
is, what is C? Just C, abstract class
C is, yeah.
reference. Abstract class
Right.
reference. This is abstract class reference. Reference created for an abstract class.
Right.
I think till now you have seen 1 month classes you have seen, but I think today you are seeing the best program. I think, I believe you got some wonderful thing na today.
Yes.
Little bit,
Yeah.
little a different step. Till now,
True.
whichever
Yes.
roads we have driven, it is different, but now it is totally different. Na? Yes.
Yes.
Reference created for an abstract class. Unfortunately, I was in traveling from morning. Last 2 days, I was there only.
Okay.
And I have to, I have taken, shifted na house. Saturday, I have shifted house.
Right. Right. Yes.
I have
Yeah.
to fetch my items also.
Oh,
My
okay.
class is over. I am going to set all these things. A lot of work is, yeah. Reference created for an abstract class. Now see, fill tank. C dot fill tank. Fine. And then C dot steering.
Steering. Okay.
Fine. And then C dot braking. Done?
Yes.
Yes. Let me save this. You want both, na? Okay. But it doesn't look good, na?
Yeah.
Why all the features?
True.
I will put a comment here. That is better, na? Anybody coming to a car showroom purchase just one car, not both the cars at a time. Rare case,
Yes.
a rare thing. Yeah, that's okay. This is it. If somebody wants those details, he can open these comments and let him see that also. Okay,
Yeah.
that is good.
Okay.
See, your reference, C is after all a reference. That
True.
reference, if it is pointing to yes, Santhro details are coming out. And if it is pointing to M, Maruti details are coming out.
Marti. Yes.
Simply, see now, Santhro details will come out.
Yes.
Yes, Santhro details too. Understood? I followed all the
Yes.
rules and regulations. Now let me talk about the execution. Very important. I neglected one portion, that is this and super. Let me speak. Now whatever the code is, forget about that. Let us start from here. So a parameterizer constructor is invoked or not with the first step.
Yes.
Means what? 4 nines are passed into Maruti constructor.
Registration number. Yes.
That will take 4 nines. And now see,
Right.
super class constructor will be invoked. Just by seeing this meaning, you can understand. Super class constructor is invoked. What is the meaning of that invoked? Super class. Which is the super class for Maruti? Tell me. Which is the super?
Car. Oh, okay.
Which is the super class for Maruti?
Car.
In that car, what I am saying, super class. What is that?
Constructor.
Means let us go to car class. Super class constructor is there in that.
Yes. Yes.
That is invoked by using super key.
Okay.
Understood? Just by writing
Yes.
super, you just to make a comment there immediately. That is important. You cannot understand otherwise afterwards. See, in Maruti, super class constructor is invoked. Similarly, when you create object for Santhro, what is happening? Control transfers to Santhro constructor. Inside
Right.
Santhro constructor, what is there? Super. Super means what?
Super. Yes.
Super class constructor is invoked. Super class constructor is invoked. So what is the super class for
Right.
Santhro class?
Car.
This also same class. Car only.
Right.
Go to car class. In the car class, can you find constructor? Yes,
Yes.
that is invoked. So what is happening inside? Tell me. Registered number 4 nines is passed now in case of Maruti.
Right.
Those 4 nines are assigned to this registered number. This registered number.
Right.
That is applicable in all the programs. Is it not? That can be
Yes.
applicable in Maruti. Also, it can come inside. I'm displaying here. Not only here, anywhere I can display that. Okay, here also I
True.
can display. Can I display here? Let me check whether I can display it here or not. Should be able to get displayed here. Let me check. Let's see. Control V.
Yes.
here. Both asking. Santro, open the lead. Everything came, but what about this? I close it there. No, Maruti ki changes, na coding pro. Yeah, for Maruti I changed unfortunately. For Santro also let me do. For Santro also I can do na same step.
Yes.
Yes. Now let me execute this once again. I should be able to see that twice na. Twice I should get that. Yes. See.
Yeah, registration number 777.
Open the lid and fill with the fuel. Both cars it came na. Again,
Yes.
so 447s came one more time.
Right.
Why it came one more time? Because the selection is Santro. Yes.
Right.
P is equal to yes. Yes is selected. Moreover, I have given that twice na.
Yes.
And that twice you can see once here and there also. So register number can go to anywhere. How it is possible? Superclass constructor is invoked. In superclass, what is there? In superclass, that registered number, this registered number, this used now, used this, that can go anywhere simply.
Right.
That's how it is available to this class. Another method,
Okay.
steering method also it is available. Of course, this registered number is having limited scope, you know, its lifespan ends here itself. That's why I used super to get that. And again in that, used this logic. Got that?
Yes.
And then let us come back to here. Now a reference is created, no problem, no issue. And then
Yes.
T is equal to yes. The reference is pointing to Santro or Maruti?
Santro.
Now if I say C dot fill tank means it is a common code for any car, same procedure.
Yes.
This fill tank will be invoked. Whether it is Maruti or Santro, same story. Open the lid and fill with fuel. That's it. Or open the cap or lid, whatever we call. Okay. Next, C.
Sure.
C dot steering. Which steering? C is referring to S or M. S and M both are objects. Objects, na? Maruti
Right. Yes.
Maruti object is different from Santro object. Which object we are referring here? Santro object. Yes. Santro object.
Yes.
So Santro's steering will be invoked. See in the output also, can you see? Santro car has power steering.
Power steering.
Take the key and start the car. That's it. We are warning to the person. Yes, it is a power steering. Be careful. You just take the key and start the car. That's it. Next, C dot braking. I had it. Which braking? Maruti or Santro?
Santro.
Yes. So Santro uses which kind of brakes? Gas brakes. Yeah.
Gas braking. Yes.
Same thinking. That's it. In the same way, can you do one program?
Sure.
To take one first abstract class. Take one abstract class. Class name is AC. I'm writing. AC means the class name should be. What can I give? Evaluation.
Okay.
Okay. Evaluation is the abstract class. So one is you take any two universities or two colleges.
Okay.
College one. I'm not naming that. According to your taste, you can go with a couple of colleges. College one and college two. And in college one, some students will be there, na? They should some total and average also in the marks in some subjects. Take some 5 subjects or number of subjects and you find total and average. Okay. And here also.
Okay.
And this college may have more or less students. I mean, something like that. Yes. Total number of total marks got by students and their average also. Total average you can calculate. Then finally here main method is there, na? That is example or demo. You can take what is their demo. That demo should invoke either this college or that college. Got it?
Okay.
That is the process which you can design effectively. Or you can take 3 colleges also. What is there? I have
Yeah.
only 2. You can go with 3.
Okay.
That's it. 3 enough. Okay. This is
Okay.
we can giving to you. You can complete this assignment. Okay.
Sure.
This is the one. If you do it perfectly, just you compare. You please study the theory whichever I have given. Please
Sure.
recollect all these things. Hmm?
Okay.
Can you do this?
Yes,
Tomorrow
sir, I can.
take more time. Tomorrow I will take because today only I came. Na? Tomorrow I will
Sure,
take
sure, it's
more
okay.
time. I will complete interface concept also tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow possibly I will complete interface and move to the next concept also up to positive extent.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
With this, shall I close the session for today?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
doubts are there?
No, it looks clean and interesting, so
Yeah.
I'll
Because
work out.
I
Yeah.
was recharged na? 2 days totally I was recharged.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.